Hi, folks. This is Dave with Auto Credit Express and FundingWay.com. Today, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice about when you go out on the internet, you're looking for an auto loan, you have bad credit, some of the things you should do before you fill out an auto loan application. First, I'm taking you to a site called Ranking.com, which is a site that ranks websites based on their traffic as well as their what they call their trust gauge. The higher the trust gauge, the better. You see, Google has a trust gauge of 7, MySpace 2, then we go down from there. We have LendingTree, eLoan, Capital One, Ford Credit, and GMAC has a trust rank of 2. Now, folks, before you give up your personal information on the site, I would want to see what their trustworthiness is. You can go to ranking.com, click on the advanced search, and put in the information. And as you see, I listed my site, fundingway.com, with Auto Credit Express. We have a trust rank of 7. So, folks, if you have bad credit and need an auto loan, go to fundingway.com/YouTube and go to a site that you can trust. Now, let's visit fundingway.com. A couple things that I want to point out that makes us different than just about any site you'll go out on the internet and see is we're going to tell you what you qualify for in just a couple seconds before you give up any of your personal information. Let's say I have subprime credit, right around a 575 score. My monthly income is about $2,000. And you can see if you look at the qualified loan amount, based on that information, I would qualify for roughly a $16,000 loan. Watch what happens when I put in a rent amount of $750. You can see the loan amount goes down to $10,000. That's because if you only make $2,000 a month and you have that much going out, you really can't afford much after that. So if this is a circumstance that's close to you, we can get you about $10,000. If you're looking for a brand new SUV or something in the $30,000 range, we won't be able to help you. But what we can do is get you a loan for $10,000 so you can get back behind the wheel and start reestablishing your credit. So let me get this out of here. Now you see we jump back to the 16,000, and just so you know, what we do here is what's called a debt to income and a payment to income ratio, and come up with your qualified loan amount based on your estimated credit score. A couple things I want to point out before we go over to the secure auto loan application. You can see we do have our phone number listed. You can call us anytime, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We'd love to talk to you, answer any questions that you have in regards to bad credit and getting an auto loan. Also, our site has processed well over 1 million auto loan applications for people with bad credit. During that time, should I say the last 3 years, as a member of the Better Business Bureau, they've only received 1 complaint from our customers during the last 3 years. That's phenomenal. 1 million auto loans processed, 1 complaint. And that complaint, by the way, was resolved. And one of the reasons for that and our high trust rank, we have the seal to the Better Business Bureau, as well as a direct link and a toll-free number directly to our site. So if you're happy with what we tell you is the qualified loan amount, go ahead and put your zip code in and enter the secure application area. Now, our application is quite a bit different than everybody else's. Most folks just get a little bit of information from you because that's really all they care about, is getting your information and reselling it. At Auto Credit Express and Funding Way, we care about getting you the best loan. And there's a world of difference between a good auto loan and a bad auto loan. We want to make sure you get a good auto loan. That's why we ask you 42 questions. It's a little bit longer. If you spend maybe 5 extra minutes filling out our application, we're going to get you the best loan possible. What it is, the reason we ask a little bit more information is the information is designed to meet every lender's scorecard. So we're going to find the right lender for you. You go to fundingway.com/YouTube, and we're going to get you down the road. It's a site you can trust. This is Dave, and I'll talk to you later.